Hi, this is Mike with the seo-alien, and we had a question come in about adding Google Analytics to a WordPress blog, and we're happy to answer it for you. We are setting up a new blog right now for one of our customers, so I thought I'd just take step by step and show you exactly how we do it. Right now I'm logged into the back office of the WordPress blog that we want to add the Google Analytics to. And the first thing we need to do is on the left you'll see a link that says plugins on your menu. When you extend that, you see another one that says add new. Go ahead and click add new and it brings you to the install plugins page. Now the plugin you want to search for, the one that we use is called Google Analyticator. You can see it on your screen there, and you just search plugins. And once you found the plugin, we're just simply going to install it. So I'm going to click install now. Are you sure you want to install this plugin? Yes. Alright, now I'm going to go to activate plugin. After you've activated your plugin, you're going to have to slide down the page and now go to your settings. In settings, you'll see Google Analytics on the bottom. Go ahead and give that a click. And now it's going to ask you for your Google Analytics UID. Alright, well, I'm assuming at this point you've already created a Gmail account. After you created a Gmail account, all you'll have to do is go to google.com/analytics and you can access your analytics. We're going to create a new account. I've already added this customer's website. Now I'm going to add their blog. So step by step I'll show you exactly how to do this. If you don't have a Gmail account, you'll have to sign up now or create a Gmail account first, then sign up now. But I'm simply going to access my analytics. Now on this page here we just added their regular website. Well, now I'm going to add another website. In this case I'm going to add their blog. So I'm going to go to the top of the page. You'll see a add new profile link. So I'm going to add a new profile. And this is a brand new domain name. So I'll have to put the domain name in here. Let me go ahead and grab it real quick. So here's my domain name. And I'm going to paste this in the place where they ask you to provide it. I don't need the HTTP. It's already there. So just www. And then you put in your time zone and you click finish. And there it tells me the tracking code is not installed, which is correct, so we haven't installed it yet. But when I slide down the page, the code is right here. Now, most websites ask you for the code, but with Google Analyticator, all they're asking you for is this code right here, the UID. And we go back to the website, and we're going to put the UID right in here. Alright, now make sure that you clicked enabled. And then once you have the UID in there, just slide down the bottom of the page. There's a few other settings you can take a look at if you'd like, but really for the most part all you'll have to do is slide down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Alright, now I'm going to also authenticate Google to access my account through the website. So I have to click here, make sure you're logged in with your Google email again, and I'm going to click it. And they're going to ask me if I'd like to grant access with that email to Google Analytics. I'm going to agree to it and just click grant access. And boom, now we're enabled. Now it's working now, so Google Analytics will keep track. When you go to your dashboard of your WordPress blog, you'll have a new little feature down at the bottom, which is going to be over here, your Google Analytics. Now I just added it, so obviously it's 000. Now the little thing I suggest you do with the Google Analytics is make sure that you have it installed correctly. So after you installed that UID code, click Save and Finish. And you'll see where your new account is added. And I have a triangle here, a caution little triangle. Well, if you would like to, just slide over to the right and you'll see where you can edit. Click Edit. And then there's a Check Status tab. Just click Check Status. And actually now it says Analytics has been successfully installed. That's what we want it to say. And then again, just go down the bottom, click Save and Finish. And this time when you go back to your account, let's go to my account, you're going to see that now it's been added. Now it's just waiting. Typically the analytics comes in 24 hours after you've set it up, so it's a day behind by default. Now there's one other thing you can do, which is a filter manager. If you want to block your connection to your blog, if you want to make sure that it doesn't get tracked, you can do it by your IP address. So let me just back up here and repeat what I just showed you. There's at the bottom of your Google Analytics page, there's a filters manager. Just give that a click, and you're going to block your IP. So you're going to go to Add Filter. And what this does is it doesn't track your personal hits from your computer to your website. And you can add several. So I'm going to call this filter name is Mike's IP exclusion. Alright, so it's not going to count it. And I'm going to go from traffic from the IP address. Okay, now if you need to find your IP address, you can do a simple search, which is what is my IP on Google. And do a Google search, what is my IP? And this is the one that I use all the time. What is my IP address? And there's my IP. So that's the IP from my office. And I just copy that and I paste it in the search bar so I can go back to it. So now I need to add it in here. So it's 72.184.122 and then 38 is my IP. And I'm going to add both those websites to it so it doesn't track my hits to those websites. And I just click Save Changes, and boom, now I'm excluded from all the searches or all the times I hit that website from this IP address. That is how you add Google Analytics to your WordPress blog. If you have any other questions, folks, please let us know. We love to answer them for you.